Stop wasting food and forget about those expensive refrigerators. Look at this. I just pulled out this potato after several months, and it's perfect. I've been storing root vegetables completely for free for more than 6 months. This is a zero-energy root cellar trick that anyone can make at home. Today I'll reveal 3 secrets behind how it works. The simple vegetable storage method, the secret insulation you already have, and the #1 moisture mistake most people make. If you don't fix this mistake, everything will rot in just a month. And the best part? It doesn't cost a single cent. I just want to help you stop throwing away perfectly good food. Stay with me until the end of the video. I'll show you the secret ingredient that controls humidity and keeps vegetables fresh for up to a year. So why doesn't traditional storage work? Because the refrigerator ruins the flavor and room temperature is too unstable. Root vegetables need only 2 things: a constant temperature and steady humidity. Let me show you my DIY root cellar in a bucket. All you need is a bucket with a lid, some old sand or sawdust, and of course, your root vegetables. It's simple, cheap, and perfect for small gardens or balconies. Step 1. Preparing the vegetables. Never wash your potatoes or carrots before storing them. They must be completely dry. That's how they keep their natural protective coating. If they're wet, rot is inevitable. Pour about 4 inches, 10 centimeters, of dry sand at the bottom of the bucket. Then carefully place a layer of potatoes. Important, the vegetables must not touch each other. The sand acts as both an insulator and a moisture regulator. Add another layer of sand, then maybe some carrots, and keep layering until you reach the top. Now, where should you keep this bucket? in the coldest but driest part of your basement or garage, or if you want a true old-school root cellar effect, bury it outside and let nature do the work. Now, here's the part most people miss. This trick only works if you use completely dry, clean sand or sawdust. Never take it straight from a damp area. Before you start, warm the material in the sun or quickly dry it in the oven. That kills any fungal spores. And what about apples and pears? Never store them with potatoes. Apples release ethylene gas, which tells potatoes to start sprouting. Keep apples the same way, but always in a separate bucket. And that's it. Your zero-energy food storage system is ready. Now you can enjoy the taste of fresh vegetables all winter long without paying a dime for electricity. You've just become a true homesteader. If this trick helped you save your harvest, support us with a like and a subscription. That's the best way you can help us grow. And let me know in the comments, what country are you watching from? Become our loyal member and join our exclusive team. Do you want the best tips in a new video before anyone else? Sign up for our email list right now. The link is in the video description and in the comments. By signing up, not only will you always be up to date, but you also become part of our community. The easiest way to support our work is to like the video. Click the follow button, then the bell, and finally confirm the bell. This means a lot to us. Thank you for your support.